This old guy DIY video has to do with my getting to know my Husqvarna 455 Rancher. So after I had a problem with the oiler not working and the saw stopped, I tried to take this side plate off and I was unsuccessful because this brake assembly strap was so tight to the drum. And I'd never had a Husky before, and I didn't realize that they had this cam over apparatus up here that you operate with the handle on the saw. So once the thing is out of the saw, it has this huge spring that provides quite a bit of resistance. So I was unable to cam this thing over enough to open the loop and put it back on. So I ran the saw without this assembly for a little while just to see that the saw worked, and it did. But now, to try to install this thing, I made a little tool. I took a Chinese 9/16 socket. I just laid this clover leaf over the top to see what I would need to do to get a hold on it. So I took the grinder with a cutoff wheel, chopped those ears off, so I have a 3-pronged tool now. And my plan is to reassemble this thing, put the spring on it, and then this cover goes on to hold the spring down. So I'll put this whole works together and then hopefully just grab up here with my ratchet, turn it, open this loop, and be back in action. I'll let you know how it works. Now it's something of a cam over deal. So after I had the spring trapped under the black plastic piece, I took my tool and I put it on there, and when I was applying pressure, I thought, man, I'm going to break this casting. But it worked. So now you can see the band is fully extended here. I can go ahead and reassemble the saw and take it in for warranty work because the oiler doesn't work. Have a great day.